for coming back to see another video. My name is Paige Accinelli if you guys are new. This look is incredible. I'm literally so proud of myself right now. I just really can't even believe I did it, really. Yeah, I just took some inspiration from Beauty by _Melissa, and she is incredible. She's got 89,000 followers on Instagram. The girl is a beast, and I took some major inspiration with this look from her. And really, honestly, I saw her looks. I keep seeing them. I save them on Instagram, and I'm like, I'm going to do it. I'm determined. And so I was like, you know what? I'm just going in my beauty room, and I'm going to try it. And I was like, well, if it turns out good, I need to record it. So here we are. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. What is up, you guys? So, got this new Morphe 9N palette. It's called About Last Night. I had to get it. The colors are just amazing. So I'm just taking a shader brush and I'm just packing on this really deep purple color and then adding this red, just bright color. Blending that right in. Then I wanted to show you guys that I tried these Lumify eye drops, and towards the end we'll see how they worked. Now I'm going in and I'm cutting the crease. Using those 3 dots really helped because it just helps you kind of line up where your cut crease will be. Because sometimes you can make like a funky oval shape, but using the 3 dots really helps me. Then I'm just taking a tiny little pencil brush and I'm outlining the cut crease just to make it a little bit more dramatic. And after I get that how I like it, I go straight in with my glitter glue. It's actually eyelash glue. I talk about it literally all the time. And I made this little glitter concoction, and it's got a bunch of colors in it. And it's kind of the inspiration of why I call it After Party, because I feel like After Party is like not the main party. It's like, I don't know. I just see it as like imperfect, just random, you know. I hope y'all catch my vibe. Literally loving how it's coming out. I'm just blending out the edges, making it a little bit more seamless. Then I'm going in with the NYX liquid eyeliner and vinyl, and I'm just gonna make a little basic wing. I tried to not put the glitter that low to my eyelashes, but kind of got out of hand. So it was a little hard to put the eyeliner on there, but we made it work. Then we're just adding some lashes I got from eBay, covering up the lash line. There we are with both eyes, and then we're adding some primer to the face. Sorry, I was like really deep into a Seahawks football game. I was like literally listening to as I was doing this and got out of frame, so sorry y'all. Then I'm just adding these glow drops. I don't know if it does that much, but I know like I like my makeup more when I add the glow drops, so. Y'all, if you haven't tried that water, you seriously need to. It is so bomb. It's really weird at first, but you literally will get hooked. I'm telling you now. Contouring, concealing, you know, all that jazz. Then I just got this unicorn elixir from Makeup Revolution. I wanted to try this, seen it online. I was like, yes. It turned out really good. I just was starting to move my foundation underneath and I was kind of freaking out, so I just quit, and then later you'll see I'll add more highlight. Then I'm going to go in and do the under eye. First I went in with the Morphe M506, then I went in with the larger blending brush, which I believe is 505. And then this is just a cheap little brush I've had for like ever, from like a set off like Amazon or something. Then I'm going in and setting the contour with a powder contour, adding a little glow to the inner corner. Like I said, more highlight. It's a beaming. A little blush. I think this is just a Tarte Amazonian clay blush. I really like it. Then I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics. I believe this is Dirty Peach liner with, I believe that's Ruby Kisses lip gloss. Then I'm adding Ruby Kisses white liner, mascara. This Morphe setting spray, my face says it all. Okay, you guys, here we go with the final look. I hope you guys like it. I am in love with it, y'all. I am going to let y'all know who my inspiration is in the bottom bar. Y'all need to look her up. Her looks are amazing. I think this is like the first time I've done like a full cut crease, or at least the second. I've tried before. I did not like a full cut crease on my eyes, and I just kind of tried it today. The thing is, like a cut crease, I always tried to end it with the end of my eye. I'm over here trying to like play by rules, play by like symmetry or whatever. No, you don't have to do it. I never thought I would love a full cut crease. I've always liked half cut creases. And yeah, I'm down. I'm so down. I hope you guys like this look. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I love you. Bye. Oh, y'all, love this look. The only thing is I probably should have picked two blending colors up there that would blend a little more seamless, like next to each other on the color wheel. Glitter in my eye, glitter in my eye. By the way, this Lumify, like I didn't even tell the difference, y'all. I thought I was going to have bright white eyes. I mean, does this eye look whiter? Because I didn't do this eye. Not really.